Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on VONIKI 2.8 Quart Whistling Tea Kettle. You can find wanted tea kettles here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The VONIKI tea kettle is made of durable, grade 304 stainless steel that will last. Every surface contacted the water is food grade safe. The handle of the tea kettle is ergonomic to ensure that you can easily pour water or coffee. The anti-scalding material ensures that you are safer when using the tea kettle. You can watch TV or other things as much as you like without worrying about whether the water is boiling, when the water temperature reaches 100 degrees Celsius. The teapot will emit a large whistle to remind you that the heating is completed. The lid design will keep your water warm and not cold. Just enjoy your afternoon tea time. Stovetop tea kettle capacity is about 2.8 quart. You can make boiling water or prepare coffee for 4 people. The bottom of the teapot is professionally designed with 3 layers of induction metal. You can use any stove to heat the teapot, such as induction cooker, electric stove, gas stove, radiant stove. Coffee kettle uses the popular natural stone marble coating. This German-made coating has passed various international authority certifications, 100% PFOA-free, absolutely safe, and non-toxic. The inner wall of the teapot is made of food-grade stainless steel and will never rust. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.